Many organizations still process invoices the same way they did decades ago. An email arrives with a PDF attached. Someone opens it, scans each line, extracts part numbers, prices, dates, vendor details, and payment terms, and then manually enters that information into an ERP system. The process is slow, repetitive, and entirely unnecessary. That was the situation for one of our clients, a global manufacturing organization receiving more than 1,500 invoices every week. Each supplier used a different invoice format. Nothing was standardized. The accounts payable team spent hours every day simply trying to keep up. We built a better system. At the core is an AI-driven framework that automates the entire invoice lifecycle. From the moment an invoice arrives in the inbox to the point it is posted into the ERP system, the process runs end-to-end without manual intervention. The system continuously monitors incoming emails and captures invoice attachments as they arrive. The AI engine then identifies the document type and, once confirmed as an invoice, extracts all relevant fields, including item descriptions, quantities, prices, subtotals, taxes, remittance details, and payment terms. Each extracted field is validated against supplier master data and internal business rules. If information is missing or inconsistent, the system flags it immediately. If everything checks out, the invoice flows straight through. The AI structures the data, maps it to the required format, and posts it directly into the ERP system. In this case, the system integrated with Microsoft Dynamics, but the same approach applies equally to SAP, Oracle, or NetSuite. There are no templates to maintain, no manual tagging, and no fragile rule sets. The system works out of the box and continues to improve as it processes more documents. For the client, the impact was substantial. Manual effort dropped by 99%. Invoices that previously took days to process were completed in minutes. The accounts payable team was finally able to focus on approvals, exception handling, and strategic work rather than data entry. The same framework can be applied beyond invoices, including purchase orders, trade documents, tax forms, and contracts. If your teams are still copying fields from PDFs into systems, it is time to rethink the process. We can help you change it.